One of the dirtier jobs of parenthood is changing your baby's diaper. As your baby grows, you'll notice their poop changes colors and textures, and it's important for you to know what's normal and what's not. Here's a guide to the different types of baby poop. Your baby's first bowel movement will look like a sticky, greenish-black tar. This is known as meconium, which is a mixture of amniotic fluid, bile, and secretions from the intestinal glands. This is just a preview before the real stuff arrives a few days later. Any variation of yellow, green, or brown is normal when it comes to baby poop, but if your baby's poop is red and/or black, it could indicate gastrointestinal bleeding, and white could represent liver disease or nutrient malabsorption. Excessively hard poop that resembles small logs or marbles can indicate constipation. If their poop is thin, watery, or streaked with mucus, and pooping a lot more often than usual, they probably have diarrhea. In both cases of diarrhea and constipation, it's important your baby stays hydrated. The scent of your baby's poop is most often a reflection of how long the poop was in the intestines, and your baby's diet will also affect the smell of their poop. But those early poopy diapers really shouldn't clear the room. If the scent is very sour or foul smelling, it can be a sign of an intolerance or allergy. So here is when you should call the doctor. Their poop is white, black, or contains streaks of red. Your child screams in pain or bleeds while pooping. Or you see mucus in your baby's poop. If your child's stool changes dramatically after you introduce a new food, it may signal a food allergy. Your child's poop still has a very runny consistency by age 1. Your child has had diarrhea and has symptoms of dehydration. Remember, parents and caregivers, this all changes when your baby starts eating solids at around 4 to 6 months. Their poop schedule will start to change. They'll go less frequently, and the stools themselves will become thicker in consistency.